Question 20. As we're looking at this long paragraph, you notice that the sentence that we're working on actually begins from the lock here. So you can spend your quick few seconds skimming through this. The lock would increase the salinity of the lakes and blank for verbs here, again with verb forms. This time, our verb forms are attached to a conjunction, coordinating conjunction. Whenever you have and, it means that A and B are always parallel. You know that. And so the lock would increase, and the lock would create here. So two takeaways from this question. One is when you're using these are called modals, helping verbs. When you have helping verbs, we place our verbs in what's called a non-finite forms, so base form verbs here. And when you have a verb here again after and, this verb too follows our conventions of parallelism. So present tense base form, and our correct answer, which is create, is derived from base form increase, base form create. So again, when you have verb form question that is attached to some kind of conjunction, just look at what the A is doing. As A is not underlined, we need to put the form of A consistent to our form B so that we know the answer is create.